So, Bula, how is business?
Oh, woe to me. Business is bad.
But what's the matter? What happened? You need money?
No. What she means is that with the two businesses, she suffers.
She suffers.
She suffers. She has to be at the travel agency alone all day because everybody else needs to be working at the big dry cleaning store.
That's right. I make Taki go to the dry cleaner store, and now I have no time with him.
So, send Nikki and Angelo to the travel agency and you can be with Taki at the dry cleaner.
That would be good.
That would be no good.
No good.
No good. No good. Because neither Angelo or Nikki knows how to use the computer.
And that's why that no work.
Computer. Ah! I have your answer. Ha! Tula will go to the travel agency and you'll send Nikki to work here with us.
Ah! Wonderful!
Wonderful.
Ah, you see? A man.
Wonderful! You are so smart!
Bravo! Bravo!